Jerome! Hey, Jerome! It's me, the tax dragon. In case you're wondering, I've come to eat up all your hard-earned savings.
Oh, no, you don't. I've got an IRA at First Union.
What, you think that's gonna save you?
Yeah, you bet. Why, all the contributions to my IRA are deductible from my gross income.
Oh, yeah?
And I don't need to report any gains or earnings in my IRA as long as I leave the money in the IRA.
Oh, yeah?
Well, not only am I deferring paying income tax, but I also earn interest on the money I have invested. Plus, I earn interest on the interest.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to pay sooner or later.
Well, later is all right with me. I mean, by waiting until I'm paying a lower tax rate, I save on money I earned this year. The savings stay in my IRA, and they grow with interest.
Are you trying to tell me that your IRA will grow, and the money invested earns interest, and the whole amount is compounded, and that the interest is also not taxable until you take it out?
That's right, Tax Dragon. Now, will you get out of my dream? Why don't you come back in 30 years when I retire, huh?
Hey, Jerome, where did you say you got this little IRA? I've got a little nest egg of my own, and I'm a little worried about the future. Jerome? Jerome!
Hi there. I'm Harold Sparrow from the Internal Revenue Service.
Boo!
Hey, will you hold on? I'm here to help explain IRAs and how they relate to the IRS. Will you give me a break, huh? Or I have to sick my tax dragon on you.
Ah!
There he is. You know, there are two kinds of penalties that are easy to confuse. There's the Regulation Q penalty, which is an interest penalty collected by First Union. It's required by federal regulation since First Union IRAs are based on CDs. Then there's a tax penalty. Now, this is a fee levied by the IRS in addition to normal income tax. And this excise tax could be for, premature withdrawal, excess contributions, or under-distribution. Interest or Reg Q penalty and tax penalty. They're two very different penalties. Hey, if you need help telling them apart, look it up in your Retail Services and Procedures Manual. It's big, and it's green, and it's got all the answers. Well, thanks for your time. Oh, I almost forgot. The IRS needs to know the correct tax year for contributing to IRA. Be sure when completing the deposit ticket that you ask the customer for which tax year the deposit's being made. This is pretty important to the customer as well as to the IRS. Yeah. Hey, thanks again. Oh, just one more thing.
Come on!